Hi, Biddy. Sorry, baby girl, if I look scary, girl. At this point, y'all should be getting used to me looking crazy on about every hair video or every something video. I'm about to be doing Joe Knotless because picture day is Friday. It's currently Wednesday. It's almost Thursday because it's 9:18 p.m. If y'all feel my roots right now, y'all would probably be scared. Not even gonna lie. My hair smells extremely good. Y'all, my ends need clip, but don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it, sweetheart. Okay, well, we just gonna go ahead and part my hair because I done wasted up enough time, y'all. Already know shining down, period, baby girl. She is edge control and that little boring one, comb cream. But I'm gonna section off my hair before I show y'all the hair that I'm using. I'm using a comb, a side, in the back. As most of y'all know, after I part my parts, I go in and define my parts with the shining gem just to get it straight apart. But I'm gonna fix this part and then I'm gonna go ahead and part the rest of my parts and I'm gonna get back to y'all, or I may get back to y'all when I'm in the front or something. Using expression, I already have like 2 packs already open. If you guys want to know how much hair I usually use about 3 packs of expression hair. I'm gonna put this on my chair because I honestly do not feel like going to get my own thing. Never start on this side of my head, but I guess y'all. Okay, so after sectioning off the hair, it was time to braid. So I kind of didn't show y'all much right there, but I also have a tutorial on this. I'll put in the eye when I did it, when I did large knotless box braids the first time. But this is just me doing it on myself. So yeah, but I'll show y'all a little clearer version later, but that's just me showing y'all how to tie the knot at the end. And if you want to see that, I show that one more time again later in the video. So if you want to see that again, just no worries, keep watching, or you can rewind. But yeah, I put shining gem on my parts, comb my parts out. Like that helps it lay flatter to your head, like the knotless braids lay flatter to your head, and just overall gives you a neater style. Also, to mention, this time doing the large knotless braids, like opposed to like the last video, I learned that like you have to like add not as much hair like at the root or whatever, so they won't be as bulky. But also I'm doing this on my own head, so I can't see in the back of my head, so I kind of had to feel, so they kind of were like bigger than normal, but they were also still kind of like okay where they were lay flat. Alright guys, I'm gonna be back when I am like done with this second one. Not even gonna lie, we kind of, okay, I'm probably really scary, but we kind of snapped. I'm gonna be back with y'all when I get like close up here or something. We'll see, but yeah. Alright, so guys, this is what I got like basically a little bit more than half my head, but basically kind of half my head. I'm gonna finish the rest either tomorrow or tomorrow morning. But y'all, these braids are probably the tightest braids that I've done in my head, and I don't know what that means. It means we're improving, sis. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all, okay? I'm probably just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my head, and I'm gonna come back for like the final video, like when I'm gonna be almost done or what. Baby girl, I'm done. This is a little too good. Hold on, get into it. Period. I did this myself. I think so. I know so, baby girl. Like, this looks too good. I'm excited. Yeah, this is how it looks with the middle part. I got a big forehead, so it look kinda. Hey girl. I'm gonna be looking cute for picture day tomorrow, period. But okay, I'm gonna go dip my ends though, because they are not dipped. As you guys can see. I was this close to being lazy and not filming me dip my ends, but the Lord said you might as well go ahead and do it. Cause it was like, you ain't even did it in a long time. They didn't want to see. But okay. So my hair is just naturally separated itself into 3 sections. So I'm just dip it that way in 3 sections, since it just wanted to do it on its own. And like y'all know, I go back over my ends one more time, just so they won't be like curly like this and stringy. Okay, now I'm about to do this side. After I show y'all this side, I'm gonna just do the back off camera. Now I'm about to do the back. Y'all, I am loving these braids. Alright, so that's the final view. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for more, baby girl. You need this channel. My name is Angelina, so hello. Let me know how I did, guys. Follow my social, so I don't know how to speak English. Follow my social media down in the description down below. Love you guys. Bye, beauties.